if you bag out before the end of this video, where I'm going to make guitar picks because they're fun to make, you can sell them or you can make them to give away. If you bag out, I just want to let you know that I give a shit about you. Whatever you're doing in your life, you're making a difference. You're here for a reason. You didn't come across this by chance. I believe that if you're working through something, you can solve it. You just have to believe in yourself. You got this. All right. The reason why I'm making guitar picks is I just like to make stuff. And guitar picks are very small. I can give them away as gifts. I'm thinking about making all of my holiday gifts, Christmas gifts, Hanukkah gifts this year. And the guitar picks is something I can give away. No, I'm not just going to give away a little pick. I'm going to make a little box. I'm not going to make the box today, but I'm going to show you the boxes. You also can make necklaces. We can engrave those. I have the files. Whether or not you have a laser cutter or you have a bandsaw or you have a little tiny little saw, we're going to make those. And I'm going to talk to you about another issue that's been going on. Because of the heat, because of some other stuff that's going on in the world, I have been anxious as lately. And I thought I had an answer to it and it didn't work out. And then I flipped myself around a couple days ago. I want to share that story today. So let's look at this file and I'll keep on talking about my anxious as situation. The thing I need to do is turn this light down. It's hot in this garage. That's actually too dark. Here we go. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get inspired. We're going to look at some images I grabbed. You can do this on Pinterest. I got a nice Pinterest account and I collect a bunch of things. You can see here they make these guitar picks out of solid walnut. They make them necklaces. They have all types of really cool cases you can make for Christmas. It's just unbelievably gorgeous. I like this company here. I'll link this company down below, but it seems like almost a family-run company. A lot of people are doing inlays where you can cut out the wood and then paint the wood different colors, and then you can combine them back, kind of like a skateboard design. This is the design that I'm going to focus in on right here. All right, so now let's go ahead and design one of these inside of Illustrator. But before we do that, I need to talk to you. Man, I need a haircut. I've been cutting my hair ever since the pandemic. So, here's the deal. I'm feeling better today. I was in a bad place 2 days ago. I was anxious, and it's so... I wish I would have done this when I was down, but I don't have the confidence. So I was just living in a state of fear. And what got me out was I just broke the cycle. I went for a walk and then I mowed the grass. Then what I did is I listened to Esther Hicks. I will put their name and YouTube link down below. What it is, you need to channel the positive, awesome place that you need to be in. You can't live in a state of fear. If you're there, find a way out quickly. That's what you do. And what happens, sometimes it's meditation. Just shut your fucking eyes and stop listening to things and just be calm. Whether or not you need to put on rain sounds, whatever you do, you have to meditate if you're in that state and not cycle on things. Get rid of TikTok. Stop looking at Facebook videos, all that crap. They make you feel terrible. That's why I make things, because it makes me feel great. Until I got back in and making guitar picks, sorry to be so excited, that's when I started feeling better. So I always said this. I've said that in another video, which I'll link down below. There's another side to this. There's another side. And you just need to find your way to the other side. All right, let's make this file. I'm going to make it quite quick because you'll most likely bag out, But anyways, I'm going to show you how to draw a curve in Illustrator, which is probably the most important thing. Sorry to point at you so much. The most important thing that you need to learn how to do is use the pen tool inside of Illustrator, and then your making dreams will come true. So this is the guitar pick pack that I have that's linked below. But what we're going to do is I have all the sizes and the names of all the different 10 guitar picks. They're already done. But we're going to try to figure out really cool ways really cool things we can do once we want to give this pick to a friend inside of a little box to create that point. Remember, make something that connects someone. Click, drag, and then I want to see that little kind of line that lines that up, and then I'm going to click drag, and that means, man, is that half of what I need. So now I am going to grab this or select it. Then I'm going to use the mirror tool and mirror it. And then I'm going to join these points. That's Command J. Join these path points. And now I have a close. Make that design that's right here. Okay? So you can see that it was only engraved in the top part where you would put your thumb or whatever you... I don't play the guitar, so imagine, you know. So they were going to go back to Illustrator. And so now I'm going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. This is just a hot mess. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to copy this, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Shift key constrains it. Points. Oh, this is a hot mess. This is a hot mess. What is this? This looks like some alien. This looks like some alien ass. What the hell? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit, copy, and then I am going to edit, paste in front, and I'm going to start moving the points of the top piece. You know, this one, maybe flat. Now it's kind of fun to kind of line things up and be human about it. And now I am good. And honestly, I have learned a lot. And at this point in the video, I feel pretty good.